everyone, of me is OUKITEL OKT1, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen view on this device. Firstly, open one of your apps like Settings and click on this square button. Now you need to tap on icon of your app, select split screen and click on the other one, like Play Store. As you can see, now I can use both of them at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, you can always do that by dragging one of your apps to the side and selecting Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!